Happy weekend, guys.
Hi guys. You caught me at it again, haven't you?
It's
Just
you know, every
trying not to blow myself up.
yes. What are you doing today in the weekend, Mr. C?
Well, I'm changing this lamp. This old knackered lamp with a lid that's knackered.
I still work.
Yeah,
But I
when
need
you have to switch it on and off in the house.
the center one, don't I?
So we bought one with a sensor, so we can leave it switched on, and then when Ascension gets home at night and it's dark, we can detect her and turn the light on.
Yeah, because it's difficult to open the doors, aren't they?
Automatic light.
It's dark, you know.
Yeah. If you forget to turn this lamp on inside and you go out and you come back, it's black. And that good. So there we go. No, not dead yet. So I'm going to change, get rid of this, and then we've got a new one. Let's put on there.
Yes. If you got a husband, you can fix everything. You know, it's good.
Pretty much everything.
Yeah.
Loads of spiders in here.
Don't kill yourself, though.
I'll try not to.
Did you kill the electric on that?
Yeah, don't fiddle with the switch because I've turned it off.
Okay.
I've got a multimeter down there, and that will check the power.
So no power then?
Oh no, there wasn't last time I looked. Depends if you switched anything around.
Alright, I'll make you some cup of coffee if you want.
I am making me a coffee, babe.
Okay, just a minute. We're going to B&Q this morning and we brought this, what's the brand?
I don't know. Docker.
Docker.
Nice little lamp.
Costs us 30 quid.
We'll see.
You will see if a good, like a plastic. Oh,
It's plastic. It's banned with plastic. China, isn't it?
bit windy today, guys.
Everything's plastic there these days.
£30 for that.
Oh no, it's metal.
Oh, it's metal.
It's metal. It's okay.
Easy to fix?
Yeah, I thought that. I've only got your sensor. We'll sort it.
Well sorted.
Right, let's get this ready then and get this up on the wall just there.
Alright now. One hole,
Yeah.
another hole to go.
One. Let's put that in there for now. Just keep that in position. Second one.
Second one. Nice. Let's screw in. There we go.
Making this look professional, boy.
Yeah. Try to screw it. That it won't fall. And guys, that's it. One done. One more to go. Steady.
Nearly. Going nowhere.
Going nowhere.
Done with that. Woo.
See hard work.
No. Right.
And this all the stuff. Putting the lights at least at night. Ayan, para hindi madilim sa sa gabi. Kasi nahihirapan ako dyan sa susi ng pag madilim. Ayan. Oh God. Lot of smoking in a babe. Lots of cigarettes. It's not the fresh air.
Not fresh. fresh air anymore now.
Not the fresh air anymore. Those got brown, yellow, blue.
Yellow is earth.
Earth.
Brown is live. Blue is neutral.
Okay.
Positive, negative, earth. In the Philippines, you don't have that one.
Yeah. Only
That
two.
stops you getting electric shock because it earths to the ground. So if you touch it, it earths through to the ground. You don't have that in the Philippines. Which is not good.
Then
So neutral, earth, live 1, 2. So blue, yellow, brown.
yeah.
It's going to be fun.
There you go.
Oh man.
That's it.
This is going to be fun. Oh. Earth. And a brown.
And brown.
That's it. 1, 2, 3.
Well done, Mr. C.
You. Alright.
There you go.
What's going on here? Alright, got to fit that in there. You pass for them 2 black screws there though, them little tiny ones.
1, 2. There you go. You want me to hold it?
Can we just get on with the job?
I mean the lamp.
Oh,
Mr. C's got dirty mind, guys.
yeah, I've got a 1-track mind, it's called a dirt track. It's in the sewers.
Okay. That's it. Easy enough.
Well, yeah. It's as if you're not doing the job.
Yeah. Mr. C can fix everything.
I'll see about that. You'll only go bang once. Like.
Now I got sensor light because I'm struggling for night. The keys. There you go. What you lose? That's it.
A little screwdriver.
One screw. There. Okay. One done. One more to go.
Going nowhere.
Going nowhere, yeah.
Right, step ladders for the next bit.
Steve ladder. That's it. Health and safety, babe.
Yeah.
Health and
Health
safety.
and safety, babe. So we need a bulb because we need to test this. So I'll use the same bulb as we had before.
Okay.
Before I put the lid on, I'll test the bulb.
Yeah, it's true. Have a look. Go.
Nearly.
See, I told you, health and safety.
3 points of contact.
There you go, one. Bulb is on. No, it's not going anywhere.
I'm going to test it now. I'll flick the switch on, see what happens.
Yeah, it should be alright.
So,
Go.
I'll have to read the destruction manual, I think. I'd expect that to go out after a bit.
Yeah. What's the manual say, babe?
I'm just looking now. 100%. Okay. Dunno, in a different language.
Different language.
Okay, the unit is operated in the mode of the motion sensor being deactivated. Relocate the unit. Okay.
So what do you say, guys?
Alright.
Read the book. Paperwork.
Timer's on the left. And the looks knob. Right. Easy.
Okay, you figure out.
No.
You said it's easy. Then I said no.
I need a smaller screwdriver, mate. That's what it is.
Alright.
I will get a smaller screwdriver. I know what I'm doing now.
Alright.
I've got to set the knob. Fiddle with my knob. Well, that'll turn off in a minute. This is the looks. If I turn that, it should go off.
Nothing happening.
No. Alright, that's sun and that's night. So if I turn that way fully, it will go off after it's off. I've got to figure it out. Settings for the PIR sensor. Timings. 3 settings. So that's 5 seconds. That's 2 minutes. Right, it's beyond 5 seconds. So take that all the way to the left. Right.
Then what else?
This one goes all the way that way.
Let me see.
Sorry.
It'll go off in a minute.
Okay. Maybe not. Probably that way.
Problem, Mr. C?
No problem. I think I've gone into 2 rather than 1. Right, so I think I've got to bypass the light sensor, but just push that back in there. Pull that back out. That needs to go into that one.
Try again. Go. It's cold, guys. It's windy today. Very windy. It's working, guys.
I bypassed the sensor on it. I've gone direct. That's why it wasn't working. That's not the end of the world. Now I've got to set up the
Timer.
PIR timer.
Yeah.
Didn't matter how much I tried to set it up before because I put the live wire and bypassed it completely, so it wasn't working. So if I can literally set it now. My little screwdriver.
In here, babe.
Is it? So that's the timer. That's a light. So the more I bring that down, the more it'll come on. Supposed to bring that right over to daytime. That'll be on all the time.
Yeah.
Which we don't want. We want it to be somewhere there. If I stay still for 5 seconds, that'll go off.
Nothing happening, Mr. C. Yeah.
That could work later.
Yeah, it can work later. Manual reading, guys.
Yeah, you can have about 5 seconds, 2 minutes to 5 minutes. I think 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes more than that.
So that needs to be in the middle. Is that the timer? That's the timer. It's fully on. That's fully off. So literally
In the middle.
in the middle. Somewhere there. And that should come back on now. This will come back on.
Yeah, because it's in the night, anyway. You put in the night, see?
Yeah.
It's work, guys.
So that's completely day and night. That's completely night.
Is it windy in the day or?
If it's that way, it's sunny. I'll go halfway with it. I'll go off now in a few minutes. Should go out after about 30 seconds to a minute.
Oh, hey guys.
Not quite enough, was it?
Yeah.
We'll do an adjustment on it. Let's call it 2. Right. So I'll reset it. So it'll come on, and then it'll go off after hopefully 30 seconds to a minute. It shouldn't trigger then until it's night time and you pass by it.
Bit windy guys today.
That still wasn't a minute, was it?
It's like 30 seconds still, ano? Let's see.
I think it's just initialising though, isn't it? So maybe it will just go out for 10 seconds. Doesn't really matter. Once it's night time, it'll
Yeah.
change. So I'll put it to what I think is like a minute. That's about it. Somewhere there. So you'll still get probably 5 or 6 seconds on it. Oh shit. Go out. There
Yeah.
you go.
There you
No, no, it won't.
To the night time, babe. Yeah?
We'll try it later now.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
I'll put the lid on.
Put the lid on. It's in the box. Oh, another screw.
That needs a good screw there. These 2, so I need them. And that. That. That's all good.
You can see it's very windy today. Too cold.
There. Goes there. Lid. Supposed to go there somewhere.
There you go. One screws down. Well done, Mr. C. That's it.
Good job.
Good job, Mr. C.
That'll do.
I'll do. Look smart though.
We'll test it later.
Yeah. It's 30 pounds.
Thank you.
Thank you. Just give it away. Well done, Mr. C. Guys, this is for today.
Yeah, that's me done.
I'm done.
Good deed for the day.
Good day for the day.
So that's how many engineers it takes to put a light bulb in, guys.
How many hours?
Peace out.
Peace out.
I'll take it.
Salamat po.
Bye.
Bye.
Sabi